after winning his heat race and finishing 5th in the main event, leaving himself 5th overall in the points for the 250 East. Well, Nate Thrasher will have surgery on his broken finger, with an Instagram post saying, quote, "Wow, what a day in Detroit. When I broke my finger Tuesday, I really didn't plan to race, but after talking to a few doctors, we decided to at least try. I had it taped up in the mindset of doing the best I could, which resulted in a heat win and 5th in the main. However, after the red flag, as I was waiting for the restart, I realized my finger was completely stuck and I couldn't move it. Somehow I was able to still make it through those last laps, and now with a completely shattered finger, I'm getting surgery today to get it set, and the doc says I should be good to continue racing after this West Coast round coming up, thanks to the team." Now, that's, you guys say, look at Shimoda, he's run multiple rounds now with 2 broken fingers, so his must be horrible, horrible if it was completely shattered. And I mean, it is good. It's a point salvage race. If he can make it through this one, finish 5th, be 5th in the points, they get what, this weekend off as it goes out west again for in Arlington, and then we're doing Daytona March 1st. So he's got, a couple weeks to heal, quote unquote. I mean, if he gets the surgery to fix it. I mean, there's not really much you can do to a finger. You put some pins in or splint it, and hopefully in a couple weeks he can continue racing. Uh, Obviously, it's a salvage points thing. If you can continue to go to rounds, if you can continue to at least collect a few points here or there, it's a good thing. Obviously, you would prefer to be fully healthy and not have this kind of random thing. And correct me if I'm wrong, I heard something. It might have been like him running into his teammate in practice. I don't know if that was true or not. I read it somewhere. Who knows? It might be just a rumor. But for him, I mean, not a bad showing. I mean, to win your main, it's a good thing. To finish 5th in the actual race, not a bad thing at all. As it sits right now, I mean, being 5th in the points overall, but when you really look at it, he's only 16 points back. 1 point back from 4th, 4 points back from 3rd, and 7 points back from 2nd. So he's not very far out of this at all. So for him, this was a good ride. I mean, you got to say this is the same thing Shimoda's doing. You get a little injury or an injury that's going to hamper you, but not completely sideline you. What you need to do is go out there and salvage points. Get as many places you possibly can, finish as best as you possibly can, and then, hopefully you can have the surgery, be healed up for Daytona, or at least, better, and come back and have a better running, have a better showing. I don't know. But so I'm going to leave you guys with another injury update. Big surprise. That's what's going on this year about every single day. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win the East? Who's going to win the West 450s? Who do you got now that so many people are out? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.